friends, and welcome to another Cotton Cuts Puzzle Mystery Quilt. This is Wild West in the colorway Ghost Town, and it's the small size. We are almost done. This is clue 9. I have a feeling that 9A is our center, but I don't know. I am not going to try and put them all together and see what fits. I like to be surprised. So these two sets of blocks took me 21 minutes, fairly easy, very enjoyable sew. And yeah, I just can't believe we're here. And I also can't believe I recorded an entire video in one day since it's been so long since I've done that. But that's okay. So yeah, I hope that you guys like this video, and we're gonna just go ahead and get into the inventory, okay? All right, welcome to our inventory portion. Let's go ahead and get through what we've got in this clue. So to start off with, in our small triangles, we should have 2A and 6E. In our medium triangles, we should have 4E. In our medium-sized squares, we should have 4B and 1F. And then in our smaller rectangle, medium-sized rectangle, we should have 2 fabric E, and then our large rectangle, 2 fabric F. Let's go ahead and get to sewing. All right, friends, so we have 2 separate styles of block to do for this clue. There's going to be 2 of 9A and 1 of 9B. No, that's wrong. 1 of 9A and 2 of 9B. 1 of 9A and 2 of 9B. Jeez Louise. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and get started. I will be speeding up the sewing portion, so the next part will probably be, I don't know, a few minutes long based on how long it takes me to put these 2 blocks together, and then I will see you at the end of the video for the reveal of the block. All right, it's done. We're finished. Again, really enjoyable. So, this was really fun to put together. I liked that a lot. I honestly wish there was more of this color, fabric A, in this whole set, but I get it. Um, Obviously, we'll see the reveal in a couple of weeks. I haven't been keeping up with Cotton Cuts' schedule and when they're going to reveal Clue 10, which I probably should know since it's Clue 9, but you know, I've had a lot of other things going on. So hopefully you all will join Cotton Cuts on their live on YouTube when they reveal Clue 10 and what the quilts will look like. I'm really excited. This is my first kind of themed or like a holiday specific quilt. I don't normally do that. And I mean, I love these fabrics. I love art gallery. So this was a no-brainer for me. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe if you haven't. Subscribes are free. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!